We thank you very much, Mr. Vijay Anthony, Fatima ji, and Director Pradeep Garu for giving us this opportunity to take the Telugu rights and release all over the 2 states. Openings are extraordinary. Never expected such a big opening. And ఇప్పుడు చెప్పదలుచుకుంది ఏంటంటే I request Mr. Vijay Anthony to act a straight film in Telugu if he accepts. After my Nakshatram's release, I am ready to produce with him.
ఆల్రెడీ వేణుగోపాల్ గారు చెప్పారు తెలుగులో ఎలా ఉందనేది. తమిళ్లో అయితే మొదటి 2 రోజులకే 6 కోట్ల కలెక్షన్. ఫాతిమా మేడం గారు అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ బ్యాగ్ నింపుకొని ఉన్నారా? వేణుగోపాల్ సార్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ నింపుకొని ఉన్నారు. 6 crores క్రాస్ అయిందండి అక్కడ. తర్వాత సినిమా నకిలీ, తర్వాత డాక్టర్ సలీం, బిచ్చగాడు, ఇప్పుడు బేతాళుడు. ఆయన మాట ఇచ్చినట్టే సినిమాకి డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఆయన ఏ సినిమా చేసినా భిన్నంగా చేస్తారని ఏదైతే మాట ఇచ్చారో అదేవిధంగా బేతాళుడు సినిమా ఈరోజు జనాల రెస్పాన్స్ థియేటర్లో చూస్తుంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అన్ని షోస్ హౌస్ఫుల్, వాళ్ళ రియాక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయండి. ఫేస్బుక్లో ఏ పోస్ట్ పెట్టినా మొహమాటం లేకుండా తిట్టే జనాలు ఈ పోస్ట్ చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది అని పెడుతున్నారు. ఇదే ఈ సినిమా హిట్ అయిందని చెప్పడానికి మెయిన్ ఇదండి. ఇంకా ఈ సినిమా ద్వారా నేను మాటల పాటల ఈ సినిమాకి రాశానండి. బిచ్చగాడి తర్వాత ఈ సినిమాకి కూడా రాశాను. మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, దానికి థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
ఐఎమ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిలిం. లైక్ ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ వాచ్ ద ఫిలిం. సో like I'm very happy to be here. So it's only because of our hero, producer, music director Vijay Anthony sir. So we got very good opening in Tamil and Telugu here. So I'm very happy, but I have never expected this in my first film. So I'm very much happy. So this is the film. You people should understand that this is a dual genre film. The first half it's like a psychological kind of thing, and second half it's like a action film. So we have treated the film like this only. So we are completely coming out with a different script and different genre to the Telugu industry and Tamil industry. So I'm very happy. You all like the film, and please support us. So thank you so much.
Happy, proud, and excited to be here. Seriously, I don't have any words to express my happiness. And thanks to Vijay Anthony sir, Fatima ma'am, Venugopal sir, Bhashasri sir, especially my director, to give me this opportunity. And we are getting positive reviews everywhere. I think I'm so blessed to get such a team. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Really overwhelmed and happy to see the response from you all. I never expected this kind of response from you before 2-3 years. And we have really experimented with a new subject, Betaludu. And after coming here, everybody told me that you all accepted and you have received that subject very well. And sir he told me the film is doing well. And like this movie, I will definitely give promising movies only in future. After this, my next movie is going to be Yamadu, which will be releasing in another 2-3 months. There also you can expect the same kind of quality in making. I would like to thank Bhashasri Garu, producer Garu, and my wife who produced the movie in Tamil, and heroine and director everybody for this good success. Thank you. To symbolically show his problem through this poster. Before the release itself, I told in Tamil interviews that there is no snake in this movie. In Tamil I told, since I couldn't come here, I didn't tell. Symbolically we have shown Dinesh is in that kind of problem. Even the audience in the first half, when they see the movie, definitely they will be really thrilled and tensed about seeing all those visuals like Dinesh. So symbolically we have shown that designs. The Sharma is coming back. So wolf's nature is like that actually. It is not, so the Sharma is coming back like a wolf. So that's why symbolically we have represented both to attract audience. Simply, Tamil Nadu first day collection and second day is actually comparing my previous films. This is actually collecting huge money. to be very frank with you. And even after this money demonetization effect, still it is have collecting money. I hope by the end of the first week, it will collect 10 crores share alone, not gross. Gross will be somewhere around 20 crores. Share will be 10 crores in Tamil Nadu at least. And by the end of the entire run, I think those distributors would have, they will definitely make double the money which they have invested in the movie. If I am going to work with pressure, I cannot be a creative person. I am working with more comfortable feeling only in Tamil Nadu. I don't take any pressure. And this is my team only. They are all very cooperative. In actually, especially in dubbing in Telugu and for everything, Bashashi is like my brother. He supports me everything and improvising and improving the quality of the movie. And like everybody else, as a technician, I work late in the nights. I work like that and take pressure, but no tension about how the movie is going to reach audience. Nothing like that. I'm really, I was very confident about the reach of the movie before itself. If I get the right story from Sasi sir, I will do it with Sasi sir. Otherwise, I'll get the right story from some other director and I'll do the movie with new director also. That might be some our Andhra or Telangana director also, I don't know. As sir told me, but one thing is very sure, sir. After Emadu, I will be shooting 50% of my movie in Andhra only. Andhra and Telangana. I'll try to give my own voice for all the movies in future. Wow. Since I'm going to shoot it here, I'll automatically learn Telugu. I'm very happy, sir. Really, really happy. Actually, I didn't expect this kind of response from you. I'm very, very thankful, sir. You have promoted the movie and released the movie very well here. We'll definitely, surely join in future, sir. Sure.